Kawasaki Ninja 1100 SX.
Yeah, nice 100 to 200. Also was slightly better than at the previous model I tested, the Z1000 SX. But yeah, at the previous model I didn't make dedicated 100 to 200 tests. So I only tested it while the full acceleration from 0 to top speed. But yeah, it was very nice. Quickshifter working well. So have fun and ride safe.